Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome back to, as I said, welcome back to the channel. Excuse me. Today we're doing a review of a £5 coin. This £5 coin is one with the 5th portrait of the Queen and JC portrait. It's in a change checker blue package, and it's the first of 3 £5 coins that have the signature of the monarch on it, Elizabeth II. This coin covers investitures and honours. So you have the signature of Her Majesty, you have a brief description around the top of what it is, and then across here you have a set of medals. Amongst the medals you can see, if I get it, you have the VC, the GC, the VCGC, and I think it is then the CBE. What the two outside coins are, I'm not sure. So you got the VC and the GC, the two crosses. This third more ornate cross is either, I think it's a CBE, this third more ornate cross here. What the two outside ones are, I'm not too sure. This coin is, as I say, the first of 3 with Her Majesty's signature to celebrate the 70th Platinum Jubilee. It was an unexpected series that none of us really knew about until it was announced. I actually quite like this coin. I'm fascinated by history, and I'm fascinated by the awards and military awards and militaria in general. So this sort of coin does appeal to me. What do you think? Is it one that you'd want in your collection? Do you want to get the whole set, or are you in the process of getting the whole set? I have 50p's, £2 and £5 automatically sent to me via change checker with the subscription service, so I know I will be getting at least a blue card version of each of these as they occur. As I say, I like this one. I hope and I hope you'll pass on to me your comments. Do you think there are too many coins this year for the Jubilee in celebration of Her Majesty being released? Let me know in the comments below. What's left for me to say is, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price you want to pay. Finally, I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you can find something you want to watch next week. And I am looking to grow my subscriptions up to over 100, hopefully by the end of this year. I'm currently on 84, and this is of the 9th of July, 10th of July. I'm looking, as I say, to grow the channel, hopefully before Christmas and the New Year, when I can reach 100. I thank you for staying to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be in a not too distant future from now, until we do meet up, from me, bye bye now, ta-ra.